So in this set of problems, you are going to use the Weldment profile that we created previously to create a Weldment part. So you are going to use the Weldment profile this to create a Weldment part from the sketch. So you are going to open an attached file called A, and then after that you are going to apply the Weldment profile. Then we are going to measure the total mass of all the 4 Weldment segments. So do that for all the 3 profiles. So the same thing, we are going to use this other profile. We'll create a Weldment part and then we'll measure the mass. So in the next question, we're also going to use this Weldment profile to create a Weldment part and then we'll measure the mass. We are also supposed to use the end mitre option to join all segments to each other. So let's do that by opening the part A. So we have a rectangular sketch over here. So we just go to Weldment structural member and we are going to apply this one. So from the question, we are going to use the end mitre option and I'll click OK. Now one thing you should take note of is the material. So make sure to apply the proper material to the part. So the material is 1060 aluminum alloy. So we have it here, aluminum alloy 1060. Aluminum alloy 1060. Okay. So from here we are going to measure the mass of all the 4 segments. So we have the total mass as this, or you can either just clear here and then just go back. So you can select each individual segment. You see the mass of each individual segment is this. So you can select. So everything, all the 4 segment has been selected. The total mass is this. Okay. So we are going to change the profile to a square profile and its feature. So we change it to this. And then we are going to apply the same corner treatment in mitre and also maintain the same material 1060 aluminum alloy. So we just go back and then check the mass. So the mass here is this. So we are going to change the profile again to the circular profile. So we change it to the circular profile. We are going to maintain the same end mitre end option. So corner treatment end mitre, and we are also going to maintain the same material, aluminum alloy. So we check the mass, and so the total mass is this. Okay.